The third benefit to our custom video communication platform is consistent message. A consistent message that gets delivered all the way down your infrastructure. I mean, we're not just talking about your craft. We're talking about all different layers from management to supervision. Everyone on the job site will get exposed to the video campaigns. So you're talking about now a controlled message. It is consistent, but then the response time, our ability to quickly get messages out using custom video. And again, all layers of your workforce are going to get that same consistent message. And the bottom line to it is we're going to condition them the way they're used to being talked to, conditioned. And that is through the medium of video. It's not anything great you did or I did. It's just a sign of the times and the impact of what television can do. Let's take a listen to what Matt Giddens has to say. Matt actually was a part of using one of the initial designs.
It's a powerful tool. You have your video crew on site that can cover any message, any topic, anytime.
If our CEO wants to say something, or if our safety head wants to talk about a process or something that impacts business immediately, we now will have the vehicle to get that message out.
All right, so consistent message. That's the third benefit of our custom video communication platform, and that is consistent message down your infrastructure.